Helo. Absolutely neb. Helo. Dwi eisiau ni chwarae hwn. Chwarae hwn tan ni'n gorffen o. That's the plan. Dim byd special. Ia, dwi wedi bod at y hi. Dwi wedi bod yn fanna. So fira security nesa. Gobeithio.
I arrived back at the shopping arcade. I had a closer look at Bassam's stock.
Check it out, George.
Check it out.
I've had quite a stock update, and I've got to say the metrics on some of this stuff is startling.
Bobbins and threads. The stock range on the stall was impressive. They looked interesting. A stack of those cards that play music when you open them. There was a stack of books, but all in Greek from the looks of it. What are those things?
Oil pots, all empty.
Hey, Bassam, how's business?
Oh, calm down.
Good to see you, George. Gotta say, the new branding's hitting the demographic right between the eyes.
Sold anything?
This is a soft market, George. Look to the margins. Look to the margins.
No, then.
Any other bargains?
Got a batch of phone covers.
Let me guess. Rhinestones?
Got it in one.
Okay.
That's an impressive collection of cards you have.
I got them cheap. An entire collection of Swedish #2 hits from the 70s. All in perfect working order.
Really specific.
And it can only get bigger.
Any ABBA in there?
Afraid not. But do you like the Cockney Riot or Charles Charles?
Nah, never heard of him.
Hairy Lobsters?
Yeah, actually, I have.
Ah, I thought they'd be before your time.
I didn't think Bassam... I've still got the...
Don't let it loose around here, please.
Okay.
I didn't think that... Bassam wouldn't... Bassam... I didn't think... Do you like whiskey? I'm afraid it's a cheap brand.
No.
Bassam... I've got a paper...
Very useful.
I have half a cookie left.
Sorry, George. With margins like...
I've got some match.
Always good to have.
He struck me as more of an aftershave. Thank you. Nice selection of sandwiches you have.
That's actually my lunch, George.
Oh.
They looked interesting. A stack of those cards that play music when you open them. Musical cards.
George!
Any other bar?
Not since you last...
Thank you.
Okay. Dodajemy squirrel. Okay.
Bijou had told me she didn't have anything to do with the business. But Lane said the opposite. One of them was lying.
What?
Bijou, it's George again.
Bow chicka wow wow.
The air was heavy with incense and alcohol. Reminded me of the old alma mater.
Die melder thing.
What happened?
George, please help me. I'm lost. Oh, help me. You must help me.
What's wrong, Bijou?
I can't play our song. I've lost Henri and now our song.
You mean the record? How did it happen?
I stumbled and trod on it by mistake.
No.
What song was it, Bijou?
I'm lost without it. Lost.
The name of the song, Bijou.
Jasmine. It was our song.
I'll see what I can do. Lane tells me you've got the provenance. That you...
Oh dear.
Bijou...
All the papers are in the safe. In the gallery.
Bijou,
Henri? You're not Henri.
could I borrow that...
Oh, I need my tune.
I couldn't get any sense out of it.
Yeah, okay.
I'd...
Okay.
Who sang the song?
My darling Henri, of course. You got to number 2 in the Swedish charts. I was so proud. Get me another one, Georges. Oh, please tell me you will.
I guess I can try.
Oh, you're a darling.
I felt terrible. I was anything but a darling.
Please.
Bijou's favorite... There was no way it could be fixed.
Okay.
Fifi had pride of place on the table. Its little face reminded me of Henri. Its coat even matched his hair. Some dogs really do look like their owners. Fifi had pride of... Its... Henri looked very much at... Henri looked...
Okay. Pan fydd y bit yma bodoli wan?
Boulogne was just...
Okay, leave security.
George, what can I do for you?
Does one of your cards play the song Jasmine?
Sounds familiar. Let me check the database. I think that's by the Hairy Lobsters.
Yeah.
Tom certainly knew his stock.
Aha! Here it is.
How much?
It's yours. If you mention my shop to 3 other people.
Done. Thanks.
Yep.
Any other bar?
Not since...
Okay.
Thank you.
God.
Bijou, it's George again.
Wait a minute.
Bijou?
Henri? Oh,
How about this card? It plays the tune.
our song. Oh, how wonderful. Dance with me, Henri.
Bijou?
Henri? Oh, Henri.
Henri looked very much... Fifi had pride. Its little face. Some dogs...
Okay. Bydd ddim yma ta.
Bijou?
Henri.
Is that better?
Yes, I want to die. No,
She only wanted Henri. Can I...
Henri.
I'd have more luck persuading...
Yeah.
Oh,
I found myself at Bijou's well-equipped dressing table. A picture of Henri had pride of place. I once painted my toenails with my mother's Still not sure why that made her cry so much. I grabbed a strip. Prepare for wax. I didn't want it on my eyes, but perhaps a slight dusting. My hair was now the
Oh my
same
God.
color as Henri's. Time to bring Henri back to life. Henri had more facial hair than me. I needed a brown goatee. I added Henri's glasses. I looked more and more like a gallery owner. Getting there, but I needed a little more. I needed to flower power my outfit.
Oh.
I cleaned my face before...
Okay.
Fifi had pride of play. Its little face. Some dogs really... Sorry, Fifi. I'll see you in Rio.
Oh my God.
Henri looked... That wouldn't work.
Oh, white flower. I just doing a nice flower.
Stealing a flower from a corpse. How low had I sunk?
Okay. Time for me to transform. Eating fucking out of it. Okay.
It was working, but I needed something else. Henri had more faith. I needed a...
Gonna be brown goatee.
With my mouth firmly closed, I added the wax. Instant...
Oh my God.
Getting there, but I needed a little more. It was hard to see the color of Henri's eyes behind the glasses. I added Henri's glasses. I looked more and more like a gallery owner. It was working, but I needed something else. I needed to flower power my outfit.
Flower power.
That was never going to happen. I added Henri's flower to my buttonhole. The jasmine definitely gave me that perfect hippie vibe. Getting there, but I needed a little more. I had the outfit exactly, but I needed something extra
A spray.
to ensnare the senses.
Spray.
I added Henri's Brett to my disguise. Made my eyes water. There. As I looked into the mirror, I saw Henri looking back at me.
He's gold looking at her.
Henri, there you are, you naughty boy. Dance with me, my little roll mop. I've missed you.
With pleasure, Cherie.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Whoa.
isn't this wonderful? Just like old times.
Fuck. Tylko go ciągnie git. Oh, ja.
Darling, I need the safe key.
Of course. Didn't I promise? Dear sweetie.
Better let her sleep. I had the key. And besides, I wanted to get my hands on that letter of provenance.
Oh, that straight away. George Stolbert. Okay, så som går ner nu.
I was surprised to see Father Simeon at the cafe.
George, a moment, if you please.
Du kan ta han.
All right, Father?
No, my son, not at all.
La benediction.
That sketch you showed me in the gallery, the study from La Maledictio,
Maledictio.
showed an image hidden inside the Ouroboros. A dangerous image.
Dangerous?
The symbol represents a heresy, an object that the Gnostics call the Tabula Veritatis.
The Tablet of Truth?
It is a tablet of lies.
Tula Lucifer. Okay.
Tell me more about this Tabula Veritatis.
It is an artifact capable of undoing the whole of creation.
What?
It was smuggled out of the Holy Land millennia ago and brought to Europe by the Cathars, an evil Gnostic cult. In 1209, the Church launched a glorious crusade in the Cathar heartlands of southern France. We wiped out almost all the Cathars, and with them, the evil that is Gnosticism. By order, the Dominicans were formed at that time to seek out and eradicate any remaining Gnostics. But we failed in our primary objective. We did not find the Tabula Veritatis. We presumed it lost, but the painting suggests it is still in Gnostic hands.
What?
So, you're suggesting that this image of the Tabula Veritatis is hidden in the Ouroboros on the painting?
It is obvious now. The Ouroboros is a symbol of the Gnostics, and the tree it contained symbolized knowledge, hidden Gnostic knowledge.
Okay.
Were the Cathars all killed?
All that came forward to fight, but like a weed, their
Okay.
roots were deep. We did not fully destroy their evil.
How is La Maledictio connected to all this?
I believe it contains clues that point to the location of the tablet. Clues constructed for a Gnostic to solve.
Hey, okay.
If
Yeah, I
we
can see you.
remember to
Chats.
decrypt the painting,
And just
find the tablet,
very involved in this game.
who knows what evil would be unleashed upon the world.
Okay.
I
Sticks.
still don't get why the Gnostics are so evil.
They see God as simply the creator of the physical world, and revere Lucifer as the lord of the spiritual realm.
Wow. What's so terrible about this tablet? What does it do?
Like Lucifer himself, the Gnostics could be anywhere. We must talk somewhere more private.
Thank you, Father. That was some story.
Be careful.
They're
Guard.
everywhere.
There are those who would do anything to find the tabula.
Please excuse me. I have to get back to the gallery.
I will remain here and follow you when no one is looking. I have more I must tell you.
I had to get into the gallery and find the provenance, but I was really looking forward to hearing what else Father Simeon had to tell me.
Ze blair, die waren.
What do you get if you multiply 6 by 9?
Get in.
The door was locked.
What?
Time to look in the safe.
Save time.
The ring had an inscription. Henri and Bijou forever.
What?
Huh. I had a feeling the ring would be useful.
Let's steal this massive ring.
A note was attached to the front of the document wallet. It read, Cherie, this should do the trick. Your darling Wilfie. Now why would Hobbs be sending romantic little notes to Bijou?
What?
That had to be the elusive provenance. It clearly stated that Medovsky was the owner, but I'd learned never to take things at face value. I had to take a closer look at this. At first glance, the provenance looked authentic, but something wasn't right.
What? Is it?
That wouldn't help explain why the provenance felt odd.
What?
That wouldn't help.
Um. It's gonna be.
The sketch was drawn on similar paper to the provenance.
Oh, Hannah's. Okay.
The coffee cup stains matched exactly, as did the tear. The provenance must have been created by Hobbs. It was a fake, which meant Medovsky wasn't the true owner. I had to get out there and find out what happened. The door wouldn't open.
Okay.
The lava lamp. The glass was reinforced. I wouldn't be able to smash it, but there had. The bottle would have broken on the toughened glass. The glass was quite thick.
Ooh.
The diamond ring was just what I needed to cut through the glass.
Ugh. Okay. No.
Father?
Gnostics. You must stop them.
Who did this, Simeon?
Don't let them. The tablet. They are going to raise the devil. Lucifer himself.
Those were his last words. First Henri, now Simeon. Who was behind this? And what was Simeon trying to tell me?
Ooh, papers.
Simeon had been carrying a scan of an old manuscript with a covering note. Both were written in Latin.
Okay.
Fortunately, I hadn't forgotten the Latin I'd learned.
Yay.
The note read, "The tabula veritatis only appears in one file. The Inquisition into Heretical Depravity by Nicholas Emmerich, A.D. 1376. Scan attached." The note was signed by the Vice Prefect of the Vatican Archives. Simeon must have done some digging after he recognized the symbol on Hobbs's sketch.
Okay.
The illustration showed a group of colored figures engaged in some sort of ritual. The blue and green figures appeared to be in control. The crowd in the foreground were colored red. It was a photocopy of an... Although a bit rusty, my Latin... It read, "And thus spoke the accused. In this ritual we find succor. Clad in blue, the perfecti take the form of the spiritual and look towards the rising sun, toward the tree of knowledge. Clad in green, the credentes look the other way, towards the setting sun, where stands the tree of life. And all shall know that the light of knowledge is blue, and that the light of life is green.
Okay.
For thus was the light of Eden, both blue and green, intertwined with the light of man to become pure. Pure light, white light, pure light will win. So it was written in the old texts, affirmed by the Tabula Veritatis. And these were the accused's last words. It was powerful stuff. I wondered how it connected to La Maledictio.
Second
The
message.
second passage read, "And all shall know that the light of knowledge is blue, and that the light of life is green. For thus was the light of Eden, both blue and green, intertwined with the light of man to become pure." Knowledge is blue and life is green. Well, that was good to know.
Okay.
I wondered what color was the light of man.
Third
The
message.
third passage read, "Pure light, white light, pure light will win." So it was written in the old texts, affirmed by the Tabula Veritatis. And these were the accused's last words. Interesting.
Okay.
There was more about light, and somehow the Tabula Veritatis had a connection. Simeon would have known what it all meant, but unfortunately, Simeon was dead.
Okay.
My God, what have you done?
Huh?
I know this looks like you've been caught red-handed.
Excuse me.
Josh, something terrible has happened at the apartment.
Nico, hang on. Lane, it's not what it looks like.
Oh.
Murdering a priest, Snowbart? Is there no end to your depravity?
It's a simple misunderstanding. Look, I need to go. I'll be at Nico's apartment.
Hair-raising taxi rider later.
Nico!
In here.
What? Oh, so that's how you in there.
Hi, Josh.
I thought you were being attacked.
When I arrived, there was someone here. He rushed me, knocked me down.
Did you get a look at him?
No, it happened so quick, and then he was gone.
What a mess. This blood. Where's Marquez?
I don't know. He must be badly hurt. Or dead.
What?
Not another killing.
What do you mean?
I just came from the gallery. Father Simeon's been shot.
My God! Who did it?
I don't know, but before he died, he begged me to stop the Gnostics from raising the devil.
The devil? Whoever's doing the killing, Georges. It's certainly not him.
Okay, but who? Simeon and Marquez were both attacked at the same time. Just what are we up against?
I don't know. But whoever came here was looking for something. The place has been ransacked. I'm going to clean up. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay, I'll take a look around. There was still quite a bloodstain. I really hope that Marquez was all right.
Doubt it.
There'd clearly been a struggle. Marquez must have put up quite a fight. I spotted something in the mess. It was Marquez's family photo.
Yes, steal it.
Marquez wouldn't have intentionally left the photo behind. The chair had been knocked over in the fight. But there was something glinting underneath. It was Marquez's medallion.
What's a medallion?
It was Marquez's medallion.
Okay.
The sofa was a real mess, but there was something between the cushions. It was one of the photographs that Nico had taken during the robbery. It showed a section of La Maledictio. Marquez had written on it.
Okay.
Marquez had scribbled the word Sans across the photograph. I wonder what he meant.
Sense.
Marquez had circled one of the figures in the tower and identified her as Magdalena. That had to mean Mary Magdalene.
Judas.
Marquez had circled one of the figures and written Judas. I wondered if he was identifying him as Judas Iscariot. Back in Bible class, Judas was definitely one of the bad guys.
Okay.
Hey, George, you find anything?
Marquez's medallion. And one of your photos of the robbery. Marquez scribbled all over it. I think he was trying to work something out in the painting. Simeon must have been right. The painting is some kind of map.
We should... Hold on, my phone. Hello? Oui?
Oui.
This is Inspector Navet. I am looking for the American, Monsieur Stobart. Are you with him?
Yes, he's right here.
Mon Dieu! Stay calm, madame. Where exactly are you?
In my neighbor's apartment. But why do you...
Do not worry. I am just moments away. Be very careful. He is armed and highly dangerous.
But he seems so charming.
Trust me, madame. The leopard never changes his straps.
Taka sajna ve. Neve and borderline
That was never...
spoiler gamer.
You're in big trouble.
Lane saw me with Simeon's body. He set me up for sure.
Well, Neve is on his way, and he'll be here any moment.
Waarom zit dit er zo?
We have to go, Nico, now.
Down the back stairs. We'll go through Fleur's shop.
Oeh, Fleur, we gaan weer. Oeh, die goed naar binnen.
Ah, there you are. Right on time.
Sorry, Fleur, but we can't stop.
Suit yourself.
Damn it. Sergeant Moo is outside the door. He's talking to someone.
Oh no, it's Adam,
Who?
my neighbor.
Ah, the pug lover with the trashed apartment.
That's the one.
Hey, Fleur. Great to see you again. You were expecting us?
30 more seconds and you would have been caught. Charged with the murder of a priest.
Whoa. How do you know about that?
News travels fast through the ether, Georges. Take this.
What do I do with a ball of yarn? Bribe Moo with a nice Aran sweater?
You will find the way. Now, excuse me. I think it's time you planned your escape.
Oh, hi, Adam.
Hi, Nico.
Ja, maar
They say I can't go up to my apartment.
100% en
Really? I wonder why.
100% gewoon zijn gweithio
I
gaven
wonder
de.
why, too. Yeah, I'm George, by the way.
Adam, I live in the apartment next to Nico.
I know. I mean, how interesting.
Fleur, can I sit here for a while until the police let me back in?
By all means.
Just een...
So what now?
You take a look around. I'll see if there's a way to get past Moo.
Okay.
Go ahead, Georges. Take a few.
Thanks.
Ik denk dat CD player.
Adam was listening to an old-school portable CD player.
Sterren, hè?
There were boxes stacked along the wall. They were all labeled. Florist's foam, flower food, ribbon, pee-pee,
PP.
bouquet labels. Pee-pee? My curiosity was aroused. It was a plastic statue.
Careful with that. He's just come in. Special order.
What is it?
A replica mannequin piece. Fill it with water, pop in some batteries, and watch it go tinkle.
What?
Very tasteful. Hey there, Adam.
Oh, hey, George. What can I do for you?
Do you know what's going on with the police?
No, they wouldn't tell me.
Good. I mean, strange.
It's annoying. I'm really tired. It was a long drive.
Oh, been anywhere interesting?
I've just come back from a coin fair. It was mad.
What?
Well, that's fascinating. So, tell me more about this coin fair.
It's Europe's biggest. So much to see.
I bet.
Okay.
Do you know Nico well?
No, not really.
Good. I mean, good for you. What are you listening to?
Hair upstairs.
My meditation music.
Oh.
Crashing waves and trickling forest streams.
Okay. Kind.
So, what do you think of this coin?
Oh my god, that's a platinum 12 ruble.
It is? I mean, yeah, of course it is. You know, it's going to be a rough day, Adam. Why don't you keep the coin?
Are you serious? I'll get my pal Stefan to value it. His coin shop's just around the corner.
Hey, maybe you could use the money to redecorate your apartment.
But it doesn't need redecorating.
That's a matter of opinion.
Yeah.
The lid wouldn't open while the disc was playing. Seemed the CD only had one track. I stopped the disc. I didn't want to mess.
Ocean Dreamscape. Resting sounds as shisha.
Ocean Dreamscapes. Just what I needed with the day I was having. Those might come in handy.
Het weer een Delta. What?
I slotted the battery into the mannequin. A jaunty series of LEDs lit up around the figure.
Okay. Huh?
That so didn't work.
Oh my god.
I poured the whiskey into the mannequin. Sláinte, wee man. Sláinte. It was Sergeant Moo. I gave the trolley a... Fleur certainly kept her bearings well greased.
Josh, what are you doing?
I'm not sure yet.
Tinola?
I hope Moo didn't spot me.
Hello, Boo. Hello?
I placed the statue in the trolley and switched on the waterworks. The mannequin cheerfully sprayed a stream of golden whiskey.
Whoa, is that? Nee, dat je hem dan pee.
The mannequin was almost doing the trick, but we needed something extra to push Moo over the edge.
Dat pee?
It was Sergeant Moo. The mannequin cheerfully...
Flowers.
I wasn't sure that would be useful. The mannequin cheerfully sprayed a stream of golden whiskey.
What?
The mannequin was almost doing the trick.
Ah.
Needed something extra to push Moo over the edge.
Sérieux?
Fleur's classics were blaring out into the street.
Ah.
Fleur, do you mind if I change the music?
Good idea.
The sound of lapping waves was
Yay.
Moo, but I was going to need something more to...
Okay. Yes.
Okay, that's Moo out of the way. Let's go, Nico.
Where?
To see Bijou. She's been telling me a crock of lies since day one, and right now, I want the truth.
So you're telling me that Bijou and Hobbs were having an affair?
Yeah, so, she's got some explaining to do.
Hmm.
Bijou, I need to talk to you.
Can't it wait? You've such a sore head.
No, it really can't.
Let me in, Bijou.
In the daylight, and without the fog of incense, the apartment looked even weirder.
George, how delightful to see you.
Shut up, you skunk.
May I present my friend Nico?
George and I...
You got some explaining to do.
Oh, really? Well, don't worry, my dear. I won't steal him, though he is rather a cutie.
Bijou, we're here to clear up a few points, if you don't mind. How are you, Bijou?
I have the teeniest of headaches, chérie. It always happens when I sleep in the afternoon.
I figured it was the champagne before the nap that had done the damage. I need you to be honest with me, Bijou. Did you know that the provenance was fake?
For la malédiction? I had no idea.
Lane said you had him approve it.
Silly fool is getting confused again.
Hobbs appears to know you very well. I saw a sketch of you in his portfolio.
Must have been a study for a painting.
Are you sure there's nothing else?
Quite sure.
Ooh.
This is a note from Hobbs that I found in your safe.
How did you get access to that? How dare you?
Bijou, you gave me the keys.
I did? Oh, my head. I don't remember. We didn't do anything.
The note is addressed to you, so Lane was telling the truth. You were in charge of the paperwork.
Oh, so what if I was? That's not illegal?
So you had the provenance made. You knew it was fake.
I'm not admitting anything.
The note from Hobbs makes it quite clear that you knew him rather well.
Oh, all right, I did.
So, you lied to me. I believe this is for you.
A diamond ring? What has that to do with me?
A gift for you. From Henri.
Henri bought me so many expensive things. He never needed to.
I think Henri asked Medovsky for more money so that he could buy you that ring.
And maybe that's the reason he was shot.
Whoa, cool.
No, honey. She's right. Henri always felt he had to fight to
Ooh, okay.
Truth is, I love them both. Wilf and Henri. And now Henri is dead because of me.
Ooh.
Go ahead. Ask your questions.
Questions.
Promise I will tell the truth this time.
Hobbs.
So, you and Hobbs are lovers?
We have been ever since 75. Henri never knew about it. They were in a band together back then.
So you were unfaithful to Henri right from the start.
It was never cheating. I loved them both.
So you had Hobbs fake the provenance so that Lane would approve it for the insurance?
Wilf passed it to me, and I persuaded Lane to sign it. He never knew it was a fake. Wilf is brilliant at what he does.
So what was Medovsky's role in all this?
It was all his idea. He'd had an offer on La Malédiction from someone. So Wilf put Medovsky in touch with me and Henri. He wanted to cash in on both the sale and the insurance. He set up the security company to deal with the
Oh my
robbery.
god.
I've been such a fool. Henri was never supposed to die.
I know you didn't mean for that to happen.
Wilf called me yesterday trying to comfort me. He said he would take care of me, that he had plans.
Ooh.
Does that mean he has the painting?
Yes. He joked about a secret place. Something about the original being behind my behind. I didn't understand.
Ooh, tollen het niet meer.
Thanks, Bijou. You've been very helpful.
You know, I had the strangest dream earlier. Henri was here, and we danced together again. Such bliss.
That must have been wonderful. Anyway, thanks again for your time, and... Nico, I think it's time we went to London.
Okay.
George, do you have something you need to tell me?
No. Can't think of anything right now. But let's go, shall we?
Seedy parts of London.
So in the end, Hobbs was at the heart of the whole scam.
All we have to do now is find the painting.
Yeah, then we blow everything open and nail Medovsky.
I get that front page story.
And I get to clear my name and keep my job.
So much for your devil-worshipping Gnostics, George.
Well, you know me. Nothing I like more than a good conspiracy.
Ah. Zo die aan de koper, maar hierop.
Hold on a second.
What's the matter?
This chain. It's from the gate.
What?
So?
It's been forced.
A break-in?
Or maybe a breakout? Hobbs escaping from Lady Piermont?
Maybe. But this doesn't feel right.
Wat ging er van doen?
Hey, Nico.
Here's George.
Yes, George?
You got any ideas how to get inside?
Have you tried no?
Well, that didn't work last.
Just an idea.
Hey, Nico, take a look at this.
Do you think someone used it to force the gate?
Possibly. But their loss is our gain. You never know when you're going to need a crowbar. A blast on the horn had worked last time. Ominous.
But
I decided to leave the dumpster alone.
okay.
It was Hobbs's mailbox.
Yeah.
One Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. I told you there'd be no answer.
You think of a way in.
Hey, Nico.
Drain pipe time.
This drain pipe looks climbable.
Are you mad?
Hey, get out of here.
Seagull problems, George?
That's one nasty bird. That was a mean-looking seagull. Hey, Nico.
What, George?
Oh.
Do me a favor and honk the horn.
No problem.
The crane was rusted solid. I'd need more force to free it.
What?
Hey, Nico.
What, George?
Nico, could you honk?
Sure.
What?
Be careful, George.
Yay!
There, Nico. I'll come and let you in.
Zonne.
Something isn't right.
You'd better be careful. Thanks, George. That was really starting to annoy me.
Hemen hier koppelenden.
Whoa. You'd better come and take a look at this.
Oeh. La médiction.
Mon Dieu. It's a Manet.
Oh, no, it's not. It's a Hobbs. In the style of Manet. Or, as the experts prefer to call it, a forged Manet. Hobbs isn't just a restorer, he's a full-blown forger.
Oh, that must be...
You. Hobbs is good. You look very pretty.
And that's you. Oh my, you look very...
Violated.
Yes. Is that Lady Piermont?
Yes.
Is she
Yep.
in your...
Yeah.
Oh, so all along we were just modeling for a forgery.
Forgery. Terrific, huh? I can add it to my murder rap. Let's just pretend this never happened, okay? Hobbs had done a fantastic job, but I hoped the painting would never see the light of day. There were no freezing Lady Piermonts.
Okay.
Locked. If Hobbs is home, he's behind this door. A metal strip had been welded to the door frame, specifically to stop anyone levering the door open.
What are you doing?
I'm not exactly sure yet.
Oh, Chan. Oh, okay.
That should do the trick.
Let's go.
So what now?
Let's see what Hobbs keeps tucked away up here.
So this is Hobbs's lair.
Not exactly the penthouse suite, is it?
Oh, behind here.
Strange. Hey, Nico, come and take a look at this. This painting. There's something familiar about it.
It's a woman's buttocks, George.
I know that, but I recognize it. Know what? I think it's Bijou.
I don't want to know how you know that, George. Didn't she say the painting was hidden behind her behind?
Yeah.
Exactly.
So maybe.
Damn it, it's screwed into the wall.
Okay.
This is
A fake masterpiece, you mean?
It was a beautiful painting. Nico.
What is it?
Hobbs's answer phone, and he's got messages.
Let's hear them.
You have 2 messages.
Ooh.
Message 1.
Hobbs, Medovsky here. I'm at the airport. I have to be quick. My flight leaves shortly and
Barcelona.
Flight BA470 to Barcelona.
it is a shame that you would like to be released from our agreement. It was mutually lucrative. But if that is your wish, I respect it. I shall send my men around to tie up.
Ooh, tie up loose ends.
Take care, my friend.
Message 2. Hello, darling. It's Bijou. Look, sweetie, but I'm going to have to put our little plans on hold. I've spoken to that insurance man and his girlfriend and told them pretty much everything. I want to be with you, Wilfie, but Henri's murder, you know. Anyway, I can't possibly leave here until his name is cleared. I feel so guilty, darling. Do you think he knew about us? Do take care with that Russian, my love. Bon voyage, my love. À bientôt.
Bientôt.
You have no more messages.
Wow.
So Bijou knew about everything. At least she was faithful to Henri in the end. And what if Madovsky's guy got here first?
What if Madovsky's guy's still here?
Cupboard door.
Who knows what useful objects this cupboard might hold?
Don't get too excited, George.
Well, looky here. A useful bottle of Diet Cola.
Okay. And
You
weird.
never know when you might need a Diet Cola. Apart from some old pipe,
Sandals.
Hobbes's sandals lay on the floor. Another Hobbes masterpiece.
Uh,
The sofa was a...
what?
No.
What's up?
Nico?
Oh no, Hobbes! Is he?
Dead? Sure looks that way.
Poor guy.
He's been strangled. You know, maybe Simeon was right. It seems like anyone who gets close to this painting dies.
The painting didn't kill him, George. This is all about money.
Whoever did this was a professional. We need to be careful.
Should pack of the sweets.
Dead
Mints.
man's mints. No law against taking them.
You have no shame. George.
Hobbes had been strangled.
Tab.
What do you think of this portrait?
It looks familiar. Who is it?
I can't put my finger on it. Nico, come and take a look at
Come and take a look at this.
Looks like Hobbes has been busy. A map of Catalonia, sketches and notes on the painting.
Do you think Hobbes was looking for this tabula veritatis?
I think Hobbes was a lot cleverer than he seemed. It looks like a sketch of a figure from La Maledictio.
I guess Hobbes was mining it for clues.
It's the tree from the painting, the one with all the people in it.
Very creepy.
A photograph of some kind of human pyramid. It's from an article about Castel Català.
It's Catalan, I think. Catalan castle.
Hobbes linked it to his sketch of the human pyramid from the painting. Another Ouroboros. Looks like Hobbes picked the painting apart for clues.
There must be something here that shows us where the tablet is.
Okay, so this is the human pyramid from the painting.
Look, Hobbes has highlighted Castel again.
And he connected the two. So this pyramid could be a castel. Something was familiar about this part of the painting. Marquez was interested in this sketch as well. It's scribbled all over it.
It must be important.
Castel de Montardo. Castel de Tosas. Castel del
Sans?
Sans. I think sans means saints.
The
That's
Sans.
what Marquez wrote on the photo.
So that would make a Castel del Sans a tower of saints.
Like in the painting. This must be the clue.
A beautiful scene.
Come on, Georges. We need to get going.
Yeah.
Take a look at this. Someone's cut out a painting from this frame in a hurry. The canvas left around the frame looks just like La Maledictio.
If that was La Maledictio, then someone's beaten us to it.
But remember how Bijou said the original was hidden?
You're right.
And Hobbes is a master forger.
Ooh.
Then whoever stole this one has got themselves a genuine Hobbes fake.
And the original should still be around here, hidden somewhere.
All up in all. Oh, we didn't.
The mechanism was for opening and closing the skylight. The skylight was slightly ajar.
Come on.
La Maledizione.
Wow! Game over.
Amazing.
You're sure it's the real thing?
Well, I'm no expert, but yeah, it must be.
Look, in the middle.
It's the same face that Hobbes drew on his sketch, and the same symbol cut into his forehead.
He must have uncovered it when he was cleaning the painting. But I wonder why a tree was originally painted over it.
Like Simeon said, hidden Gnostic secrets. One thing is certain, this one is the original.
Which means whoever cuts the painting from that easel has a copy.
And I'll bet my bottom dollar it doesn't have the hidden image in the Ouroboros.
I guess this pretty much ties up the investigation, George.
Yep. Should be enough to get Nave off my back.
In the end, it was all about money.
And greed. Medovsky wanted to sell the painting and claim the insurance.
And he didn't care how many people he killed along the way. So what now? Hand over everything to the police?
I guess so. With what we found out, Langham should have no trouble picking up Medovsky in Spain. I do wonder what that secret map points to.
You still think the evil Gnostics are behind it all?
I don't know. But I do have questions that haven't been answered.
Such as?
Well, what do those symbols on the painting mean? What was Marquez really up to? Why was the sign of the Tabula Veritatis hidden under layers of paint?
And why is the building on fire?
What?
And what did you say fire?
Oh my god.
We need to get out of here. The skylight was leaking. Hobbs had been using the...
Oh. You there?
I dropped the mints into the cola and quickly tightened the cap again.
What?
An open skylight looked like our ticket out of here. The mechanism for the skylight was old and corroded. The skylight was slightly ajar.
Exactly. Whoa!
I wasn't going to open that.
Oh my god! Bad. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. Yeah. Ska vi veta roll?
Whoever did this was a...
Ska ni göra med? Skiten.
Well, it seemed like a good idea.
Ja, no,
It didn't work. It would have made a cool grappling hook, but then I realized the yarn wasn't strong enough to carry my weight.
What?
Tying the sheet to the crowbar made a halfway decent grappling hook. That wouldn't make...
Yeah.
This should help us get out of here. After you, Nico.
Whoa!
terrific. Out of the fire into the frying pan.
Wait, Josh, isn't that?
Oh my god, Langham.
Oh, thank God. Hey, Langham!
Langham! Help! We're up here!
Oh, nath.
Quick, round here.
On you go, bud.
He help us.
I don't know. Maybe because he started the fire. Because he wanted to kill us.
Oh.
Why?
I have no idea.
You think he killed Hobbs?
Could be. Maybe Simeon too.
So who is he? And who does he really work for?
I don't know. But I do know one thing. This is not over.
What?
Josh, do you hear that?
London's finest. Now you be nice to the firemen.
So what now?
Now, we go to Spain in search of the Castel del Sans and the Tabula Veritatis.
On you go, Langham, my boy drug. Oh, completed part 1. I am a two-parter, isn't it? Ooh.
Nico and I had thought the adventure was over. Actually, we'd only just started. Nothing was what it seemed. On a trail of corruption and greed, we'd stumbled upon a murderous conspiracy. A conspiracy whose roots lay in mysteries older than the written word. We didn't really have any choice.
Echt een awful cylinder. Iawn. Part 1, drosodd. Ooh.
Catalonia, the foothills of the Pyrenees. After a short flight and a long drive, Nico and I arrived at Castel del Sans. Back in London, we'd tracked down La Maledicció and had started to unravel its secrets. The painting was a code.
Hey, 720p. Mun sef game nhw'n ôl.
Veritatis, an ancient artifact which Father Simeon had claimed could raise the devil, for which he and others had already been murdered. We had to find the tabula before the killers. We knew they would stop at nothing.
O, hwn ydych sy'n cychwyn. Well,
Let's just hope we got here before the bad guys.
done.
Seems quiet enough.
Looks like nobody's been here for years.
Must have been a beautiful place once upon a time. You think the tabula is really going to be here?
Somewhere, if we can just decode the painting. Well, it looks deserted.
Whoa!
Deserted? I don't think so.
Did you see who it was?
No, the sun was in my eyes.
Looks like somebody's beating us to it.
But who? Medovsky?
Langham?
Whoever it is, we need to get in there.
All right. You make a diversion. I'll try and reach some cover. And be careful.
Are you kidding? You're the one who's going to get shot.
Ac ar hynna... So... Faint o percentage? Should be 50%. 52%. Ideal. Dwi'n orffen am yna. Lle da i orffen hynna. Short and sweet stream. Hynna ffordd o'n sy'n hofio hwn yn two-parter. Pryd o'ch chi'n kickstart hwn back in the day. O'ch chi'n cael part 1 wedyn part 2. Mae'n splitio nhw fyny fel episodes awr fel hyn yn gweithio allan reit dda. Iawn, ar hynna dwi'n orffen am. Mae'n ddim yn orffen hwn fory. 52%. 4 episodes in. Dwi'n meddwl lle streamline i hwn wedyn. Gobeithio. But yeah. Eto, sa'n neb yn gwachio fi'n live. Cos sa'n neb yn gwachio streams Cymraeg. In general, so diolch i pob yn y VODs. A na welch chi yn yr episod nesa o Broken Sword 5. Diolch yn fawr.